something on her head.
Because I didn't wear a sari, so I should at least have
Just
something.
place it.
Am I allowed to take one bracelet from Elizabeth? So I forgot, or is that not fair? No, I don't need jewelry.
You want mine? Mine is too small.
Yeah, I know.
Would that fit you?
Yeah.
No,
It's okay. It's wonderful, Mom.
Yeah, you can.
So shake your foot. Do you jingle? No.
No jingling.
Silent beauty. Okay.
Oh, those look nice on you.
You put it on both hands?
Yes.
Ready, go set. Get up there.
You want to go in there? Step on the stirrups.
I'm on. Okay. You stand up for a second, Jack. It's kind of like in the old days when you'd go to a new village and you'd have to go on your horse.
He's going to tell you.
You know, that's
Left or right? Do I get down now? Left or right? Hello? Deceive us. No, we can't be deterred.
Can you wait?
Kalyanamarugyam Aishwaryam Nirvigneno Shobham Bhavatu.
No research.
Take this. How was it? We'll have the bride coming.
Is that where you cut the water? Right there.
Okay, this David, get ready to lift. They're lifting. They're lifting.
Okay, now you turn around and walk away. Now you turn around and walk away.
Okay.
I will get you in later now. With your right foot, you will step on it, it will break, keep walking.
Okay.
Come on. Now we escort him in.
Okay.
Get daddy also. Bhaddho Bali Raja Danavendro Mahabaloh Tena Tvam Pratibadnami Rakshema Chala Machala स्वस्ति स्तुया विनाशाख्या पुण्यकल्याण वृद्धिदा विनायक प्रिया नित्यं तां च स्वस्तिं ब्रुवन्तु नः. Just as you did the tika to him, you do the tika to me. Muhurtam kshemam kalyanamarogyamaishwaryam nirvignena shubham bhavatu. Yeah, I can write on it. It's 2. Okay, first we start with offering prayers to God. So remembering whatever form of God we are familiar with, we offer prayers to that God. Om Shri Mahaganaधिपतये नमः. Shri Gurubhyo नमः. Shri Lakshmi Narayanaभ्यां नमः. Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam नमः. Shachi Purandarabhyam नमः. Vani Hiranyagarbhabhyam नमः. Mata Pitru Charan Kamalebhyo नमः. Kuladevatabhyo नमः. Ishtadevatabhyo नमः. Gramadevatabhyo नमः. Sthanadevatabhyo नमः. Vastudevatabhyo नमः. Sarvebhyo देवेभ्यो नमः. सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः. सुमुखश्च एकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्ननाशो विनायकः धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षो भालचन्द्रो गजाननः. 12 नामानि यः पठेत् शृणुयादपि विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे संकटे चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते. शुक्लाम्बरधरं देवं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. अभीप्सितार्थसिद्ध्यर्थं पूजितो यः सुरासुरैः सर्वविघ्नहरस्तस्मै गणाधिपतये नमः. वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते. सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु नास्ति तेषां मङ्गलं येषां हृदि स्थो भगवान् मङ्गलायतनो हरिः. तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपतेन्द्रियुगं स्मरामि. सम्पूजकानां प्रतिपालकानां यतीन्द्रसामान्यतपोधनानां देशस्य राष्ट्रस्य पुरस्य राज्ञः करोतु शान्तिं भगवान् जिनेन्द्रः. As we begin this ceremony, the first phase after welcoming the groom in is the bride's parental part, in which we pay our respects to the groom. Because for the parents, for the bride's parents, the son-in-law is a person to be respected and honored. And we go through the symbolic honoring process for the groom. Take a spoon of water, hold it like this with your right hand, and with your right hand you can touch him. The other hand. Om Vishnu Srimad-Bhagavato Mahapurusasya Vishnoragnaya Atradya Mahamangallya Phalaprade Masottame Mase Chaitra Mase Krishna Pakshe Shashtim Tithau Shanivasare Kanyarthinam Gruha Praptam Varam Madhuparakena Aham Archaishi. Pour the water in here. Now, just symbolically extend your toe in here. Inside the plate a little bit. You pour water as if you're washing his toe, and you just symbolically wash his toe. Okay, the father does this. Yeah, just wash the toe. Okay, do this 3 times. Padyam, 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 pratigrohyatam. And wipe the toe off also. That is fine. Extend your right hand and extend your right hand. Give him 3 spoons of water. Achmaniyam. You're supposed to drink. Again, Achmaniyam. Again, Achmaniyam. Pratigrohyatam. Wipe your hand off. Again, extend your toe, right hand, and put little kumkum into his hand. Now, go ahead. Now, you do this with your right hand. Into the palm. Okay, and little rise. Om Argyo, 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 Pratigrohyatam. Let it fall in here. Now, both of you, one at a time, will do the tikka on his forehead like this and stick some rice. Again, the right hand ring finger. Right hand ring finger. Right. Om idam vishnam vechakrame tredhani dade padam samungdamasya pagam sure swaha. Now you know exactly what you have to do. Okay. Now we'll prepare for the bride's arrival, and you are picking her. You are bringing the bride in, right?
Kalinga Janita Shagneshwaro Devate Madhye Vartulamendra Godinakara Kuryat Sada Mangalam Sumurta Savadan Shubhalagna Savadan Acharya Savadan Madana Palabadha Savadan Greva Sutra Savadan Krishna Kanche Savadan Vastra Granthe Savadan Vanistana Savadan Vajentra Savadan Hastamelapaka Savadan Kanyadan Data Savadan Akshara Satano Antar Samaya. Elizabeth and Darshan. We begin this ceremony with reciting Mangalashtak. Mangalashtakas are traditionally recited and sung at this moment to invoke the presence of gods, and we ask for the blessings of the god. During this recital, you hear the word Savdhan many times. Savdhan is a word of caution, of attention. The whole wedding ceremony is being conducted with full consciousness of mind and heart. What we see here is a very concise version of the very long ceremonies that used to be in the old days. And because the time it took for the ceremony was very long, it was sort of impossible for the general audience to give their attention focused here all the time. So we call upon the attention of the parties that are directly involved in the process. The bride, the groom, the bride's parents, the immediate relatives, the guards, the priests. Their attention was called in particular. Chandra Karkataka Prabhu Sitanibas Chatreya Gotrodbhava Chagneyas Chapurasravaruna Mukha Chapopyuma Deshvara Shatsapta Gnidashaika Shobhana Phalo Gnyareravijya Priya Swami Yamunadesha Jogi Maka शुभलग्न सावधान आचार्य सावधान मदन फलबद्ध सावधान ग्रीवासूत्र सावधान कृष्णकंठे सावधान वस्त्रग्रंथे सावधान रत्नदीपक सावधान वहनिस्थान सावधान वाजिंत्र सावधान हस्तमेलापक सावधान कन्यादानदाता सावधान वरकन्या सावधान अक्षर 40 अंतर समय holding a piece of cloth between the bride and groom. Our ceremonies being centuries old, some of the customs we follow may not carry much meaning nowadays. We would still like to follow them anyway. In the old days, the weddings were really arranged by the parents rather than the bride and groom selecting each other. In its extreme cases, the bride and groom would see each other for the first time when the auspicious moment came and the cloth removed. While that is never the case nowadays, for the bride and groom as they are looking their best at this auspicious moment, a simple idea of gift wrapping is not inappropriate. So wait for the gift to be unwrapped for a few moments. We will need the garlands for them. Lakshmi Kaustubh Parijataka Sura Dhanvantarish Chandrama Gava Kamaduda Sureshwar Gaja Rambhadi Devangana Ashwasapta Mukho Visham Haridanu Shankho Mrutam Chambude Ratnani Chaturdasha Pratidinam Kurvantu Vo Mangalam Arhanto Bhagavanta Indra Mahita Siddhascha Siddhistita Acharya Shasanonatikara Pujya Upadhyayaka Shri Siddhanta Supathaka Munivara Ratnatraya Radhaka Panchayate Parameshtina Pratidinam Kurvantu no Mangalam Somuhurta Savadan Shubhalagna Savadan Acharya Savadan Madan Palabadda Savadan Grivasutra Savadan Krishna Kanche Savadan Vastragranthe Savadan Ratna Depaka Savadan Vanisthana Savadan Vajintra Savadan Hastamelapaka Savadan Kanyadanadata Savadan Varakanya Savadan Akshara Shunyano Samaya Varate Samaya. It's time to drop the curtain. Both of you will stand up. Okay. Whatever you do it in slow motion. Give the practice enough time to take pictures. Otherwise, you end up doing it twice. Okay. You go first, slowly, and we can applaud when this happens. So. Okay. So seated. Mommy help you. Now, just as we washed the groom's feet, we also washed the bride's feet symbolically. See, at the time of wedding, we look upon the man and the woman as forms of God. We are all creations of God. And for us, the famous divine couple that we worship is Vishnu and Lakshmi. Vishnu is the God of supporting us when we are on this earth, and Lakshmi is the goddess of prosperity. So life and prosperity, they go hand in hand. And looking upon the groom and bride as Vishnu and Lakshmi, we do this ritual. Okay, extend your right toe in here. Okay, this time daddy pours water and mommy washes the toe. With your right hand again. You have to wash the toe. You do. Right. Okay. श्रेष्ठते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्याः रात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमश्विनौ व्याप्तम् ईशान दिशानामुम् ईशान सर्वलोकम् ईशान. Also, in addition to that, this little kumkum, again using the ring finger, goes on her toe like this, going up. A couple of tries. Now you can take the photo. Hold a spoon of water. Both of you together. Om Vishnu 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 Srimad Bhagavato Mahapurusasya Vishnoragnaya Atradya Mahamangalya Paraprade Masottame Mase Chaitra Mase Krishna Pakshim Shashtim Tithau Shanivasare Asmin Punyaya Asyaha Kanyakaya Anena Varena Dharma Prajya Ovayoho Vanshavruddhyartham Tathacha Mama Samasta Pitrunam Nirati Shayananda Brahmaloka Vaptyadi Kanyadana Kalpokta Phalavaptaye Anena Varena Asyam Kanyakayam Utpadayishyam संतत्या दश पूर्वान् दशापरान् मावच एकविंशति पुरुषान् उद्धर्तुं विवाह विधिना श्री लक्ष्मी नारायण प्रीतये गोत्रोच्चार पूर्वकं कन्यादानमहं करिष्ये. When the parents are holding, a spoon of water, I am talking on their behalf. The parents say that we are going to give our daughter away to him. This would happen by joining their hands. But before joining their hands, we go through an identification process as to whose hands are we joining. And that identification is done not by asking for your driver's license, but by reciting which families you come from. Because for us, it's not just a man and woman joining in marriage. The two families come together. So we recognize the families. Then we recognize the grandfathers, whose granddaughter you are, whose grandson you are. Then we recognize the fathers, whose children you are. And finally, who you are. So in Sanskrit, it is called Gotrochar, reciting the family names. Okay, on your side, the grandfather's first name.
Khushal Chand.
Shivagotrasya Vedashaka Khushal Sharmana Pautraya. Father.
Mahendra.
Shivagotrasya Vedashaka Mahendra Sharmana Putraya. And your own name.
Darshak.
For the record. Shivagotrasya Vedashaka Darshak Sharmana Varaya. Okay. Father's father. Arvind. And the family name is? Chait. Chait Gotrasya Vedashaka Raitasya Arvind Sharma Pautrim. Father.
Arnold.
Chait Gotrasya Vedashaka Raitasya Arnold Sharma Pautrim. And your own name?
Elizabeth.
Chait Gotrasya Vedashaka Raitasya Elizabeth Namni Kanyam. Now we'll tie it together. it's a joyous occasion, so getting married should also be fun. Okay, mommy does this. Tie this. We want to tie this with the. This is the case thing, right? Okay, you can tie this together. You'll have to come closer. This goes around her neck. Okay. Okay, you can help. Definitely. Everything tied together. This is what we call tying the knot. I can now extend your right hand. No, this way. Mommy holds her hand under this. Okay, there. You hold with your right hand. Okay. Bring it over this side. Now, when I say this hand as it is goes onto his hand, don't turn it upside down. This is not a shake hand, it is the official giving away, so the hand has to be upright. Ready? Photographs. Kanyam karakasam karakavarnayutam dasyami vishnavetavyam brahmaloka jigeshaya vishvambara sarvabhutah sakshina sarvadevataha imam kanyam pradasyami pitrunam taranayat. Keep the hands joined to cover them up with this cloth. You can support their hands and you hold this cup in the left hand and with the right hand slowly go and put in water when I say. It will take at least 2 to 3 minutes, so you don't want to put a whole lot of water to make them. Again, I'll be talking on behalf of your parents. This is the official giving away of the bride. So the parents essentially say this, that so far, to the best of our ability, we raised you, had you got educated, gave you all the money and jewelry we could afford. This is in the scriptures. And this all-prepared daughter of ours is given to him so that the God created cycle of life continues. Because through marriage, life continues. And we want you to be happy, prosperous, and we want you to have good children. With all of these good wishes and blessings, the parents give you away. So I'm going to say the same thing in Sanskrit. So at that time, just simply go and put in water. Om Vishnu 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 Srimad Bhagavato Mahapurushasya Vishnurajnaya Atradya Mahamangalya Phalaprade Masutami Mase Chaitra Mase Krishna Pakshe Shashtim Tito Shanivasare Asmin Purnyāhe Asyaha Kanyakāyāha Anena Varena Dharma Prajya Upayo वंशवृद्ध्यर्थं तथा च मम समस्तपितॄणां निरपेक्षानन्द ब्रह्मलोकावाप्त्यादि कन्यादानकल्पोक्तफलवाप्तये अनेन वरेण अस्यां कन्यायाम् उत्पादयिष्यमाण सन्तत्या दशपूर्वान् दशापरान्मां च एकविंशतिपुरुषान् उद्धर्तुं विवाहविधिना श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायण प्रीतये चैत्र गोत्रोत्पन्न आर्नोल्ड दासो मम समस्त पितॄणां निरतिशयानंद ब्रह्मलोकावाप्त्यादि कन्यादानकल्पोक्त फलवाप्तये अनेन वरेण अस्यां कन्यकायाम् उत्पादयिष्यमाण सन्तत्या दशपूर्वान् दशापरान्मां च एकविंशतिपुरुषान् उद्धर्तुं विवाहविधिना श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायण प्रीतये चैत्र सगोत्रां एलिजाबेथ नाम्नी कन्यां यथाशक्ति अलंकृताम् उपकल्पित उपस्कर सहितां प्रजापति दैवत्यां पुराणोक्त शतगुणीकृत ज्योतिष्ठो मातिरात्र फलप्राप्ति काम प्रजोत्पादनार्थं सहधर्मचरणार्थं च भार्यत्वेन तुभ्यम् अहं संप्रददे. Okay, so that is your hand joining ceremony. So parents gave you away. Now you are on your own. And in good company though. Okay, now your job is done. So they will be sitting side by side and we need some rearranging to do that. Okay, now you can let the hands go. Now you can let the hands go, stand up so that you can do the rearranging. You need to take this off your neck. Okay, this stays on you. Okay, stand up. Okay, pull these two out, turn the chairs around that way.
Take these, right?
Yeah, you can still stick around. Take a couple of chairs and sit. Okay. Okay. Maintain symmetry. So you should be in the center. Okay. Slightly on this side. Are they centered properly? Don't look similar.
Yeah.
Now, be seated. Now. Now. Can you run and go get those two containers for me? Okay, and then the plate also. The plate and the coconut. Take the tapes upon it. It stays together. Yeah, open it. As your hands are joined, you begin your new life together. And the first thing you want to do is offer prayers to God. One God, many names and forms. What we traditionally do is offer prayers to Ganesha. Ganesha is the obstacle remover form of God. So that your life's journey becomes smooth. We do this Ganesh Puja. We have Ganesh Murti from the house. And two suparis represent two goddesses, Siddhi and Buddhi, and you'll be offering prayers to them. Hold rise. Om Gananantva Ganapatigam Havamahe Priyanantva Priyapatigam Havamahe Nidinantva Nidhipatigam Havamahe Vaso Mama Ahamajali Garbhadam Advamajasi Garbhadam Om Siddhi Buddhi Sahitrimana Patay Namaha Avaharam Sorvyami Ramyam Sushobharam Divyam Sarvakashtamayam Shubham Asanam Cha Maya Dattam Grahana Parameshwara Pushpasanam Sorvyami. Take a spoon of water, hold it together now. Ashradakam nirmalam cha sarvasaugandhya sanyutam tadyam grahana devesha prasida parameshwara. Just as the parents wash your feet, it's your turn to wash God's feet. Om Siddhi Buddhi Sahitri Mahanapataya Namaha Padayo Padyam Samarpayami. One more spoon and hold. Tamra Patre Stitam Toyam Gandham Pushpa Phalanvitam Sahiranyam Dadam Nirgyam Gruhana Parameshwara Hastayo Argyam Samarpayami. One more time. Sarvatirtha Samayuktam Sugandhim Nirmalam Jalam Achamyatam Maya Dattam Gruhana Parameshwara Mukhe Achmanam Samarpayami. Offer this Panchamrit back with this spoon 5 times. Payodadi Dhratam Chaiva Sharkara Madhu Sanyutam Panchamratam Mayanitam Grahana Parameshwara. Om Siddhi Buddhi Sahitri Mahanapataya Namaha Panchamrata Snanam Samarpayami. Slowly go on pouring water over this. It will take a minute. The right hand. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktasasmarim Nityamayo Kamartha Siddhai Prathamam Vakratundam Cha Ekadantam Dvitiyakam Trutiyam Drashnapingaksham Gajavaktram Chaturthakam Lambodharam Panchamam Cha Shashtam Vikatameva Cha Saptamam Vignarajam Cha Dhumravarnam Tathashtakam Navamam Balachandram Cha Dashamam Tu Vinayakam Ekadasham Ganapati Dvadasham tu gajananam dvadashaitani namani trisandhyam yah patennarah nacha vighna bhayam tasya sarvasiddhikaram param vidyarthi labate vidyam dhanarthi labate dhanam putrarthi labate putran moksharthi labate gatim japet garbati stotram shadvairmasai palam labet samvatsarena siddhim cha labate natra samshayah ashtabhyo brahmanebhyascha likhit समर्पयेत् तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वा गणेशस्य प्रसादतः अभिषेक स्नानं समर्पयामि. Pick up Bhagwan in the hand. Okay, offer clear water bath. Let the water fall in here. Use this place. Ganga cha Godavari Sarayoscha Sindhu Saraswati Surya Suta Chareva Kalindika Snana Vidau Samastaha Ayantu Punya Sarisapramaha. Om Siddhi Buddhi Sahitri Mahanapataya Namaha. Shuddha Jala Snanam Samarpayami. Napkin to try. You can keep your best friend with you. कुङ्कुमं कामदं दिव्यं कामना कामसम्भवं कुङ्कुमेनार्चितो देव गृहाण परमेश्वर. Okay, go ahead. Stick some dice like this. अक्षताश्च सुरश्रेष्ठ कुङ्कुमाक्तः सुशोभिता मया निवेदिता भक्त्या गृहाण परमेश्वर. अक्षतान् समर्पयामि. अबीलं च गुलालं च सिन्दूरादि समन्वितं हरिद्राचूर्णं संयुक्तं गृहाण परमेश्वर. सौभाग्यद्रव्यं समर्पयामि. मल्लिकादि सुगन्धिनी मालित्यादीनि वै प्रभो मया द्वैतानि पुष्पाणि पूजार्थं प्रतिगृह्यतां पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि. Jointly offer this दीपक. कार्पासवर्तिना युक्तम् आज्येन परिपूरितं दीपं गृहाण देवेश तथा शान्ति प्रयच्छ मे दीपं दर्शयामि. घृतगुडयुतं दिव्यं नैवेद्यमर्पितं प्रभो संगृहाण सुरेशत्वं मम कार्यं च साधय. नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि. पूगीफलं च ताम्बूलं लवङ्गैलासमन्वितं मुखवासार्थं मया दत्तं गृहाण परमेश्वर. मुखवासार्थे पूगीफलं समर्पयामि. हिरण्यराजतै पुष्पै दक्षिणा ते ददाम्यहं गृहाण त्वं मया प्रीत्या दत्ता मे च प्रसीदतु. दक्षिणां समर्पयामि. प्रदक्षिणा like this, circling around. यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्तु. प्रदक्षिणां पदे पदे प्रदक्षिणां समर्पयामि. रक्ष रक्ष गणाध्यक्ष रक्ष त्रैलोक्य रक्षक भक्तानां भयं कर्ता त्राता भव भवार्णवात्. द्वैमातुरकृपा सिन्धौ षाण्मातुरग्रज प्रभो वरदत्वं वरं देहि वाञ्छितं वाञ्छितार्थद. गृहाणार्घ्यमिदं देवं सर्वदेव नमस्कृत. अनेन फलदानेन फलदोस्तु सदा मम. विशेषार्घ्यं समर्पयामि. Now we offer prayers to God. विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय सुरप्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्दिताय नागाननाय श्रुति अग्निविभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते. ओम सिद्धिबुद्धि सहित श्री महागणपतये नमः. प्रार्थना पूर्वकं नमस्कारान् समर्पयामि. The picture of Ishtadev Mahavir Swami. Okay, we offer prayers to Mahavir Swami also. And suppose you know the Naukar. Okay, you'll recite with me, we'll do it together. Om Namo Arihantaram. Om Namo Siddhanam. Om Namo Ayaryanam. Om Namo Uvajjayanam. Om Namo Loye Savvasahuram. Ekso Pancharamokaro Sauvapavapanasano Mangalanam Cha Sarvesim Paramam Havai Mangalam. That is the puja part. Take a spoon of water. Anaya puja siddhi buddhi sahib Shri Mahaganapati priyatam namo. Okay. Now we have the fire ceremony. To do a very big fire, I suppose.
cousin. At least one of the cousins. Yeah.
Cousin.
Cousin brother.
प्रज्वालितं वन्दे जातवेदं हुताशनं सुवर्णवर्णमनलं समृद्धं विश्वतोमुखम्
Put this into the fire a little bit, like this, into the fire. You can do this jointly.
ॐ अग्नये नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये नमः ॐ इन्द्राय नमः स्वाहा इदम् इन्द्राय नमः ॐ सोमाय नमः स्वाहा इदम् सोमाय नमः ॐ प्रजापतये नमः स्वाहा इदम् प्रजापतये नमः ॐ योजकनाम्नि वैश्वानराय नमः स्वाहा इदम् नमः अथ नमाहुतयः ॐ अग्नये नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये नमः ॐ वायवे नमः स्वाहा इदम् वायवे नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः स्वाहा इदम् सूर्याय नमः ॐ अग्निवर्णाभ्यां नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्निवर्णाभ्यां नमः ॐ अग्नये अयसे नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये अयसे नमः ॐ वरुणाय सवित्रे विष्णवे विश्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो मरुद्भ्यः स्वर्गेभ्यश्च नमः स्वाहा इदम् नमः ॐ वरुणायादित्याय दितये च नमः स्वाहा इदम् वरुणायादित्याय दितये च नमः ॐ प्रजापतये नमः स्वाहा इदम् प्रजापतये नमः ॐ अग्नये नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये नमः ॐ अग्नये नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये नमः ॐ अग्नये नमः स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये नमः
Okay. Now we'll hold the circling around. Left hand. Both of you will stand up. You would have 4 rounds around the fire. All the rounds are done in a clockwise fashion, this way. First 3 rounds you would lead, he would follow. The 4th round you would lead, you would follow. Before beginning each round, your brother, cousin, okay. You represent her brother.
Thanks.
You get to do the honors.
Thank you.
What's your name?
David.
So you have a brother, David, and he will give you some rice before beginning each round. You take the rice, put it into the fire, and then begin the round. Okay. The meaning thereby is these 4 rounds represent your walk of life together as a couple. We give importance to a brother-sister relationship. So by symbolically giving you rice, it is the brother's promise to help you whenever you are in need.
No problem.
You have an excellent brother. Sister in turn says that so far I was single and used to take all the help from brother. Now I am married and I have my husband with me, so I probably won't need your help. However, whatever I'll get from you, I won't keep it for myself. I'll use it for charitable purposes, religious purposes.
You got it. No problem.
So we put it into the... Okay. Go like this.
Okay. No. Into the fire. Okay, just now you want to take the lead that way. Move it around. Just be extremely careful with the fire. Okay. Take the lead. Hold each other's right hands. You're going to.
Can we move the fire?
No, then you'll go. Can remove the chair. એક જણા કોઈક મારી પાસે તો સારું પડે કોઈ પણ કારણ કે બધે માંથી ના પહોંચી વળાય. Okay. ચાલો ready? Hold each other's right hands with slow steps. Start the first round. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksho Mangalayatano Hari Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trimbake Gauri Narayani Namostute. That's perfect timing. Yeah, you go ahead a little bit more. That's fine. That is your first round. Okay, now again. Yep. Okay. Now take the second round. Now you know what to do. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksho Mangalayatano Hari Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trimbake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Over there. So that was the second round. Let's take the third round. Two hands.
Two hands. Sorry. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Let's take the third round now. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksho Mangalayatano Hari Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trimbake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Let's reverse the trend. You go take the lead. Okay, this again you go like this. All the rights now complete.
I want to make sure we have enough.
Okay. Let's go. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksho Mangalayatano Hari Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trimbake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Be seated. General audience, you saw a little commotion. And about 3 weeks ago, Mita got married, and the memories are very fresh in Darshak's mind, and he took advantage of the situation. The reason for this sudden rush to sit down is a superstition that we follow, and many times it comes true, even though it has no scientific basis. In every married couple around you, you would notice that either the husband or the wife is a little or a whole lot dominant person. And this moment sort of determines who becomes dominant in the couple. And this is the superstition. We believe that after completing the rounds, whoever sits first become dominant in the couple. So Darshak had the fresh memories and we sat first. On each one you go on putting a super and a coin. ॐ ईशे नमः विष्णवे नमः ऊर्जे नमः विष्णवे नमः रायस्पोषाय नमः विष्णवे नमः भवोद्भवाय नमः विष्णवे नमः पंचपशुभ्यो नमः विष्णवे नमः षडरायस्पोषाय नमः विष्णवे नमः सखिभ्यो नमः विष्णवे नमः Start with the first one. Extend your right toe and touch it with that one, both of you. This would be the first vow. Sukha dukkhani sarvani maya sa vibhajyate yatra tvam tadaham tatra prathame sa bravedidam. Look at each other and repeat after me word for word. This is the first one. All your pleasures and all your pain, you will divide with me. I take this first step with you. For where you are, there I will be. Go on to the second one. Kutumbam rakshayishyami avraddha balakadidam asti nasti cha santushta dvitiye sa bravedidam. Second one. The family and its interests I will protect. Where you are unhappy, I will not be satisfied. Hence I take this second step with you. Third. Vartro bhaktirata nityam sadaiva priyavashini bhavishyami pade chaiva trutiye sa dravedidam. The third vow. Forever devoted to you. And to religious duties, I will be. To remain sweet, and even tempered, I take this third step with you. Third step with you. And it's a difficult vow, for most audience also. Fourth one. Arte arta bhavishyami sukhadukha vibhagini tavagnam palayishyami kanyaturya pade pravit. The fourth vow. Look at each other again. A sharer of your joys and sorrows, opposed to your oppressors, I will remain. As I will abide by your wishes, I take this fourth step with you. Go on to the fifth one. Ratokavesha trisnata tridishyami tvayasa naham parataram nyayam kanyam panchapade dravit. The fifth vow. I will await your physical needs and in dalliance with others. I will not engage. So I take this fifth step with you. Sixth one. Ihata sakshana vishnu na chatvam vanchitasnam uvayo pritiratyanta kanya shashtapade pravit. Now before you take the sixth vow, as you got married, there are so many witnesses to your wedding. In the old days, there was no paper document saying you are married. The friends, relatives, the community was responsible in witnessing your wedding. Who is the chief witness though? Fire. Fire represents God, form of God. Almost all the cultures and religions, fire is a form of God. So that is chief witness. Keeping the fire as chief witness, extend your right hand like this and take the sixth vow. May this fire, the spark of the Lord, be a witness that committed to honesty. Never will I cheat upon you, either in word or in deed. And this I own up
And this I honor
in the sixth step.
in the sixth step.
Go on to the last one now. Om yajnadikaryeshu bhavishyami sahayini dharmartha kama karyeshu kanyasatapade bravit. Before you take the seventh vow, as a couple or as an individual, whatever we have to acquire in our lifetime has been categorized by our spiritual leaders, the Rishis, into 4 major categories. We call Char Mahapurushartha, and those 4 things are Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. Dharma, religion; Artha, material wealth; Kama, fulfillment of physical desires; and Moksha is the last part when the soul leaves the body. The last one is not in our hands, but we believe that if we take care of the other 3 properly, the 4th one will follow automatically. So priority is given to religion. As you grow, along with acquiring a lot of material wealth, enjoying them simultaneously, periodically you are required to offer prayers to God, perform rituals, perform community work, non-productive yet soul-satisfying. Keeping that in mind, take the last vow. A help, look at 7th vow. A help in humane and religious work, I will be. Ready to lessen suffering, and promote the human good. And this I affirm in the 7th step. Yeah. We need bride's mother to bring the sweets for you. We will have the feeding ceremony. Just hold this plate in front of them. Okay, Darshan, you feed her 4 times, and Elizabeth, when he feeds you, hold his wrist, right hand again. Hold, like that. Pranebhyo Namaha. Astebhyo Namaha. Maasebhyo Namaha. Tvate Namaha. Now by feeding her first, as per our culture, it is primarily the husband's responsibility to earn and bring groceries into the house. Now, Elizabeth, you feed him 4 times, just reverse the cycle. Okay, let's go with the feeding ceremony. તમે ઉપર આવી શકો અંદર. તો બંને જણ આવો મહેન્દ્રભાઈ, તમે પણ આવો. તમે આવો, બંને પણ સારું લાગે. આવો. ઓકે, લેટ્સ ગો. પાછળ ભરત. Okay, we do this 4 times. Saya masih dulu kurang. After all the visiting, somebody should think about bringing water for them. This is the plastic thing, right? All right, now, once the groceries are in, you should know what to do with them. No. So cooking is your responsibility. Okay, now, for the sake of picture, you feed each other and have a shot taken. Camera. Feed each other at a time. So they'll take pictures. Okay. Now we'll have blessings by married women. Starting with you, you will offer blessings for their long and happy married life. The way to do it, okay, again I need that thali puja thali.
Give them.
I thought you went to rice.
You can be.
Okay, you will do the chando to both and stick some rice. Okay. I think you are in trouble.
Sure, I think so.
I'll take it out.
Now, in her ear, offer blessings. In her right ear, you are supposed to offer blessings. Okay, now she will put a sari around you. चालू करिए अब जो पची साड़ी तेरा हुआ ना
चालू कर
जरा कपाल चालू कर दे स्वस्ति स्तुया विनाशाख्या पुण्य कल्याण वृद्धिदा विनायक प्रिया नित्यं ताम च स्वस्तिं ब्रुवन्तु नः. Says they welcome you, Elizabeth, into their families. They put a sari around you. So now you are being asked to follow the guidelines of this family because you are going into their family, joining their family. So
Indra ji apa?
અખંડ સૌભાગ્યથી આશીર્વાદ તમે પણ આપી દો અને જમણા કાનમાં blessings. બીજા કોઈ બોલાવો બીજા કોઈ ના હોય Okay, come on up. Use the ring finger and dip it in here like this, and then you put the dot on her forehead. Please take some rice. You can do the same thing to Darshak. Some rice. Take your hand off here.
Okay, and then offer blessings in her right ear. Right. Oh, that's it.
Not to him?
No, just to her. All right. Okay. Right hand ring finger. Ah. Yeah, use the back part. Right. Ring finger, this one. Nope, ring finger. Yep. Okay. All right. Now, in the end, I have my blessings for both of you. Remain seated. Om swasti na indro vruddhashramah swasti na pusha vishwavedah swasti nastarksho arishthanemi swasti no brahaspatir dadatu आदित्या वसवो रुद्रा विश्वे देवा मरुद्गणः लोकपालः प्रयच्छन्तु मंगलानि श्रियं यशः गायत्री सति सावित्री सति लक्ष्मी सरस्वती मृडानि मातरः सर्वा भवन्तु वरदा सदा ऋग्वेदोऽथ यजुर्वेदः सामवेदो ह्यथर्वणः ब्रह्मवाक्यानि सर्वाणि नाशयन्तु रिपुंस्तव यावद् भागीरथी गंगा यावद्देवो महेश्वर यावद्वेदाः प्रवर्तन्ते तावत् त्वं विजयी भव मंत्रार्थाः सफलाः सन्तु सन्तु पूर्णा मनोरथाः शत्रूणां बुद्धिनाशोऽस्तु मित्राणाम् उदयस्तव धनं धान्यं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुरस्तु सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. Okay, now I want you to stand up, both of you. Okay, hold this rice in your hand, right hand. भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनोभिः व्यशेमहि देवहितं यदायुः ॐ अग्निर्देवता वातो देवता सूर्यो देवता चन्द्रमा देवता वसवो देवता रुद्रा देवता आदित्या देवता मरुतो देवता
विश्वे देवा देवता बृहस्पतिर्देवतेन्द्रो देवता वरुणो देवता ॐ द्योः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगो शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिः ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगौ शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः 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 सुशान्तिर्भवतु यान्तु देवगणाः सर्वे स्वशक्त्यपूजिता मया इष्टकाम समृद्ध्यर्थं पुनरागमनाय च आवाहित देवताः स्वस्थानं गच्छन्तु। ओम श्री विष्णवे नमः। ओम श्री विष्णवे नमः। ओम श्री विष्णवे नमः। Also you have a family goddess Padmavati Devi, so you are required to offer prayers. Go like this. Om Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namah Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyata Pranata Smotam. Now after the gods and goddesses, we offer respects to our parents. So we want both side parents and grandpa to come up the stage so they can come and offer namaskars. Again, be extremely careful with this.
Together, so you don't spend time.
Okay, welcome to your parents. At this moment, it gives me a great pleasure to announce you husband and wife. All the days we have done. Akan Sabaya Givati Bro. Okay. Okay. See, we tied them together. You get the honors to untie them. Okay, you do this untying process.
Nita, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm undoing all this work.
Would you do this for free? Think you get paid for it?
No, I don't think I'm going to do this anymore. Tie it back again. Take an IOU, that's fine.
Look at even tonight.
Elizabeth, take it in your hand. That white stuff. Okay, good.
That's it?
That's it. And a mirror, come on now.
I have no.
Because with that
Everybody can do
But I'm making an announcement that it's just that I guess we get told.
No way.
Yeah.
I think
As soon as possible. What are you doing?
Hi, thank you for joining us for the ending ceremony for today. That concludes the beginning of the wedding, I guess, really. And we look forward to seeing you later today. Thank you.
Cheers.